Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making super easy looking but a secretive card. Yes, a hexagonal endless card. Let's start it. Take 30 into 4 cm any color paper or chart paper strip. First mark at 2 cm, which is half measurement of width, and draw a slanting line. Cut this first small triangle part. After that, strip will be look like this. Now start making triangle shape. It should be the perfect triangle shape. Now flip the strip and fold the triangle again. Make sure all triangles are similar and exactly layering to each other. Repeat this step till the end of the strip. Flip and fold, flip and fold. Crease all the triangles very well. Unfold all the triangles and it will be look like this. We need only 10 triangles. Here I am marking 1 to 10 triangles to show the next tricky step. This step is optional. Cut the extra triangles. First triangle should be look like this, and the last triangle should be opposite of the first triangle. Overlap the first triangle on the second triangle. Third and fourth will be remaining visible. Now fifth will be the overlap behind the fourth triangle. Fifth, sixth and seventh remaining on the back side. Now flip the eighth triangle on the back side so that ninth and tenth become visible. Overlap the tenth and the first triangle. This step is little bit tricky. Once you understand it, you will find it super easy and fun step. I am showing all steps again. Watch carefully. Paste two ends, it means first triangle and the 10th triangle. Card is ready. Hold card like this and open. Folding like this will make easy to open this card. Fold and open, fold and open. Now decorate it. For decorating part, you can use designer paper, photos or plain paper and write down your secret message. Trace the hexagon on the paper. Cut it so we will get the exact size of the hexagon. Join all the lines and cut the triangles. This part is optional. I label all the triangles so that after cutting, I can easily paste on that order. For easily folding of the card, cut 2 to 3 mm from the triangle and paste it. Triangles should be smaller so that card can be easily folded and opened. Here I used light color paper to show all the steps easily. I have made already one more card of black paper. This card has a 3 sides to write your message. You can use photo also. This card can be used in a scrapbook page, explosion box, or even as it is. Subscribe to my channel for more crafting tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial. Till then, keep doing cut, paste, decorate. Happy crafting. Bye bye.